One more time, let's look at how an older child, possibly in a high school level or middle school level child, might take a picture prompt, use the same exact notes that we've taken before, now we've used twice, and write another paragraph, much more sophisticated now. This student most likely has an understanding of the simple, compound, and complex sentence structures that I taught in the grammar section and can manipulate these sparse notes into something quite sophisticated. In springtime, Fuzzy's thoughts turned to memories of fishing in the lake by his house. The cat pictured himself carefully rowing his boat across the water to a peaceful spot where he could drop his line into the clear water. Then he pictured himself eating the catch of the day. Amazing how the same sparse notes could turn into something this exciting to read. The proofreading exercise is the very last thing that's done. I've noticed when I did the read-through on this that I had used the term water twice. Here's water, and here it is again here. In fact, it's used twice in the same sentence. The cat pictured himself carefully rowing his boat across the water to a peaceful spot where he could drop his line into the clear water. Water, water. Is there something that we can do to one of those words in order to bump it up or change it out or make it more interesting? Perhaps this one right here we could substitute the word maybe pool. When a change is made, the proofreading has to be done over again. In springtime, Fuzzy's thoughts turned to memories of fishing in the lake by his house. The cat pictured himself carefully rowing his boat across the water to a peaceful spot where he could drop his line into the clear pool. Then he pictured himself eating his catch of the day. I like it better. It makes it more interesting to have a different word meaning pretty much the same thing. The sentence structure is more sophisticated. It manipulated the pieces of information from the note-taking from the original picture prompt. It handled the sentence structure. Word change-outs helped, perfect the flow of the paragraph itself and up the interest. So the picture prompt with the 6 sparse notes went from very young children that you may need to scribe for, to an intermediate level, to finally a very sophisticated level where the rules of grammar, punctuation, capitalization, and so forth are then interspersed with the elements of the story itself. Very interesting.